Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to update the shipping rates. Now go to apps and then go to better shipping. And one thing with this app, if you pay for your store for the year, then there's a thing called real-time carrier shipping, and that's where I'll show you this under frequently asked questions before I get into anything else. So it says, do I need to upgrade my plan for real-time carrier shipping feature to use better shipping? So they say it requires this in order to work, even though we're using flat rate. This is available on the Shopify Unlimited plan. However, you can still get the real-time carrier shipping feature to a basic plan or any other plan without needing to fully upgrade to the Unlimited plan. To get this feature added to your current plan, please email Shopify directly there and let them know that you want to add the real-time carrier shipping feature in order to use better shipping. They will be pleased to add the feature to your store for a small fee. Now, small fee is kind of baloney because I think it's like 20 bucks to add this. So what I would do is contact them and say that Better Shipping told you to contact them, and they said there'd be a small fee. So kind of try and sweet talk them into just turning it on. I know on my old store that I've had since like 2014, back then I emailed them and I just said, like, they told me to email you. They said it was all good. You could just turn it on for me. If not, they might charge a fee. There might even be a monthly fee. I've heard of cases where they just say, yeah, it's like $20 per month extra. So if that's the case, that brings the price of the app up to $34.99 per month, which is more than the cost of Shopify at $29.99 per month, which puts you up at like 60, what's that? Let's see. So your Shopify payment is 29 on your basic plan, plus if they charge you 20, it's friggin' ridiculous, but plus 14.99. So you're at 64.98. Now, I'm telling you this to be transparent because I don't hide things, but Better Shipping, they list their thing as 14.99, and they don't really talk about this fee, so I'm talking about it for you up front. The 64.99 sucks. 64.98 sucks. But if you pay for your Shopify plan for the year, you get a discount and you'll get this activated for free. Okay, so go with the year, get it activated for free. It's better. Then you don't have to worry about paying this much per month. You're gonna have huge savings. Okay, once you have that installed, go to your products and then go to shipping rates and then just enable them, turn them on. So enable or disable better shipping generated shipping rates, turn it on. That's a one-time thing. Now go to products. And now remember the fee was $3.50. So what I'm going to do for this product, to my son, no matter who enters your life, love, dad, it's Julie from Shineon. I'm going to go, it was $3.50 that I could charge. So I could actually charge $3.95 and make a little bit more on it. And that will charge the customer that amount. So the $3.50 is from Shineon as a base. You could go with $3.50 straight up here if you wanted. But I think $3.95 for shipping is pretty reasonable, if you ask me. So update. So that'll make it that. And then for shipping rules, oh sorry, I have to actually, just one sec. So I want to add in if they order another one. So under settings, you have to do this one time. I forgot to do it. Enable or disable tiered shipping rates. Turn that on. So now when I go back to my products, you'll see the option to add, like if they have more than one. So let's go to products. And see this little plus sign? So now I can go, so that's for one, $3.95. If two or more, then we can charge charge them $1 less for each additional one. So yeah, I'm charging 45 cents more and 95 cents more on additional from the $3.50 and $2 that Shineon is charging. You could even go, if you really wanted, to $4.95 and then $3.95 here. But I think $3.95, when people see how cheap the shipping is, they're gonna just pay it. They're not worried about it. So click update products. Make sure you do this step. Otherwise, you're paying the shipping out of your pocket. Okay, so that $40 profit margin we have, $3.95 is coming off it because you have to pay Shopify for the shipping. And what I do, excuse me, I just get the customer to pay it. and they have no problem doing that. You can run free shipping offers too if you really want, as specials or discounts, and it'll just discount it by like $3.50, $3.95 for you. So that's what you need to do. Set up your products in here as the next step as soon as you launch it. Okay, go ahead and do that for your product now.